Good afternoon, everybody. We're doing a follow-up on our big trade on NetEase. NTES reported earnings on November 6th. We were long. We had the calls on it. They popped up here to 320, and then they faded back and tested that support level, and we had a 3-day rip. And I'm going to go into what we did with the options, okay? And I'm going to tell you why it's time to get out and buy the put options because this thing has just gone parabolically up. And once again, NetEase is an ADR, Chinese company and whatnot. And I'm going to get down into the particulars with everybody that for all our traders around the world, they need to know it. I will share with you all on Friday we had a $41 move to the upside. I mean, Rip City had already gapped up, but nonetheless, here is what that weekly area is. Now, the low was 294 on the week, and we shot straight up to $375. Yes, it's a game maker. Yes, they are really kicking on all cylinders. And like I said, once again, everybody, we care about you. Why don't you just get in the free 5-day trial? Why don't you just get these entries when we're giving them out and you're going to make a lot of money? This is on a weekly chart. On Friday, we had a $41 move, and I'm going to show that option trade. All right, everybody, here's the call side of the market. These are the 325 calls that were super up and out of the money. 820 on the low, and we went up to 47.73. You can see that call chart right here. Boy, what a rip that was, as you all know, that you don't even know or have seen call or put charts. But here, going to take a look at our $300 calls. I'm going to put that there. And that was when at the time of the earnings on November 6th, this $300 call has gone straight up now, and it has, and it hit right up here, and it was at 31.91. Now, on the $305 calls, look at that baby. It's up $34. 24.70 was the low, but we bought them on November 6th. And you could see this call chart. Oh, yes, it was. We also bought and we owned the $310 calls, which at that time were up and out of the money when the report came around. You got to remember that NetEase was only around $296 a share, $18 up to 54. Another whopping look at 10 contracts. Hey, you're 36,000 richer. Or would you like to be like us? And here are some more options that we bought at that time, which way up and out of the money, and that is another $38 gain. You can see it was 45.5, 50 on the ask. You can see it now. I'm going to throw it in here. Here you go, man. And here is your whippy doodle doo. Let me show you. All right, just let me show you. And we hope that you get here because these were $2.50 on the low at that time, in that time period. But then we went and we rock and rolled all the way up here. And remember, NetEase is a gaming stock that gamers play with. I'm going to show you once again. that $325 call. Now, you can see where they were, and they reported at $2.50. The high here was 10.50, but look at that. Look at that move. And I can tell you that's on the call chart right there. I'm going to show you that 325. I'm going to put that 325 in here. And you know what, man? We're excited. You can hear it in my voice. Hey, it's great to be here. It's everything that you want to be at $8.20. That's what it was on that close, and it went up to the high up here is 47.73. The ass is right there. What a big super game. Now, I'm going to tell everybody right now that we're going to start looking at the put side of the market. And it went up to $375. That's the put side. This is the put side, and we're going to buy it. Why? Because we're making so much money, we can't lose. It's impossible for us to lose money. But you see, these things are going to come all the way down here, and that's the 375. Here is a $360 call. They expire on November 24th, this weekly. Here it is on the chart. You know, it's way up here, but it's going to come down. They had 255 put options that were bought. The high was 945.60. Yes, it was. And that's on 1124, 360 put options. And we'll throw in the 365s, which are out of the money. And boy, are they cheap. And not only that, you got to remember one thing, that we can't lose money. And this is the side of the market to be on right now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to conclude this with everybody that's excited. You can hear it in our voice. We're excited for you. But just remember that NetEase had a $40 move on what day? On options expiration, what? Friday. And it did. And so I'm not getting that price quote right now. But this was a $41 pop that we had on Friday. And, you know, I can only say one thing on the weekly. We're going to be also looking at some really cheap puts here. You can see right now it was up $41 breakout. Oh, man, you just don't know how happy we were. I'm going to show you the 330 put. And you know what? I'm going to buy a whole bunch of these, and I'll tell you why. They're super deflated. I can't lose money. They're $43 out of the money. I'll pick some of these up at 25 cents. I'm also going to show, here's what I'm going to show right now. I'm going to show a 340 put. I'm going to show you how deflated they are. Yes, they're down here. I'm going to buy some of those too. Why? Because I'm making over 750% gain, and I am. And I could buy that side of the market. I can't lose money. I'm also going to show people the 365 put, which is $10 below the market. Okay? And I'm just going to show it because, you see, they don't have a lot of data on this one, but, you know, the lows were 740. It's 720. And I already started buying some, but I'm going to buy some more. Why? Because I still have that trade going up higher, and I'm showing you how to be a market maker and hedge those gains. If and when we start to correct, we're buying wholesale, and we're going to make a big gain on that 365 put. Here, let me show you another one. Let me show you the 375 put. Oh, yeah, you talk about making money? It closed at 375, and I'm going to be buying these puts. I cannot lose money. I cannot lose money, as I said. Anyway, we enjoy. Hey, get in the free 5-day trial with our market making firm and let us bring you joy on what? The greatest move that we've had ever on NTES. And we trade it regularly, and we just want you to know how to get paid. Hey, treat yourself to the right thing. That's getting here with what? FreeOptionTrader, FreeOptionTrader.com. Stay tuned, and we like all of you, and look, we want to share joy with you, okay? Just get in the free trial, see it, and make money. We'll let you make some money with this. We got all kinds of programs you can enlist for.